Conviva Care Centers are becoming known for our expertise in care for seniors. We have over 50 years of experience in helping seniors age and live well. We care for over 150,000 patients in 90 centers in Florida and in Texas. Our doctors pride themselves on their relationship with their patients, on the trust that our patients have for the doctors and the concern our doctors have for their patients. A few things differentiate Conviva from other primary care providers. The most important is probably that we're physician-led and physician-managed. That means that our doctors are in charge and make the important decisions about care and service to our patients. Our priority and our focus is on patients achieving their best outcomes possible. We also pride ourselves on our early detection and screening program to make sure that serious conditions that can impact successful aging are detected early and managed well. I think patients who experience Conviva will see a significant difference in the care. First and foremost, the doctors take time to get to know you as a person. Your doctor will be an expert on your condition as well as its management. Each person is an individual. For people with complicated needs, we have an entire team ready to help. Nurses, case managers, social workers, and others who are all interested in helping you achieve your best health outcomes. Another important Conviva difference is that our entire team are experts in senior care. We spend a tremendous amount of time doing educational programs and other development opportunities to make sure that our care is exquisitely tailored to the unique needs of seniors. Conviva has been dealing with COVID-19 since nearly the beginning of the year with a study and analysis of the overseas data, but also, more importantly, intense work to protect our staff and our members. We've implemented what we call standard precautions for all people coming to the centers, and those have been in place since March. All people who visit the centers are in a mask. They're all screened. The centers are sanitized. Obviously, we have wonderful physical barriers that prevent the transmission of droplets. Also, it's important that we pivoted very early on to telemedicine visits. We've built a great expertise in delivering care through telemedicine visits. But it's also important to emphasize that sometimes seniors need to see their doctors. Managing their medications, understanding their symptoms, sometimes doing a physical exam is really important. So we offer a balance of in-person and virtual visits, and the physician and the patient will decide what's best for them. But our centers are very safe. When you come to a Conviva center and you go to the examination room, you'll be in a mask, your provider will be in a mask, your medical assistant will be in a mask. So everybody's safe and the care is excellent despite this terrible pandemic. One of the other advantages of telemedicine visits is that you don't have to leave your home. What we've learned though is our patients like to get their makeup and their hair fixed. They don't like to go on the camera until they're looking presentable, and we understand that, and that's important. But the convenience factor is really important. We also can bring in a daughter or caregiver or another interested party with the patient's permission. So if we need to have a visit and include your family member, that's easy to do. Family members like that very much. The important things there is that we can visit you frequently. If you're needing close follow-up for a condition, we can now do that over the smartphone. Also, if we need to visit you urgently, when you call in, we can call you back and do that telemedicine visit and maybe stave off a visit to an urgent care center or an emergency room. So visit frequencies and on-the-spot visits have been a real wonderful boost from telemedicine visits. Another important distinction for Conviva is our on-site pharmacy at many locations, as well as our wellness centers where our patients can participate in a variety of important and health-promoting activities. So words of wisdom for our seniors, not just our patients, but all the seniors. Really important this year, more than ever, to get your flu shot. It's not too late. It does protect you a little bit against serious complications of COVID as well. So please, if you haven't yet gotten a flu shot, make sure you do that. If you feel sick, call your doctor. That's always important. Make sure you reach out to your provider right away and get an answer back right away about your situation. And then on a much broader level, eat healthy, exercise, stay engaged with your life, take care of the people you love, and let the people who love you take care of you. We're very proud of the care we provide for seniors. We're very proud of our physicians and our centers. If you want to know more about Conviva or interested in finding a Conviva center near you, you can refer to the website address that's on the screen and the 800 number that's being shown, as well as the map of our centers. As you can see, we have locations from Stewart to Boca and from Belglade to the beach.